Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. Slice 1 red onion into rings. My name is Isabel, I'm happy to see you on my channel. Red onions are beneficial because they are rich in antioxidants, support heart health, and help boost the immune system. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels. Five slices of sandwich bread. Cut off the crust. Place it in a bowl. Pour half a cup of milk over the bread. We'll need 1 kilogram of ground meat, 2.2 pounds. Add 1 egg to the ground meat. Add the softened bread to the ground meat. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add paprika and dried marjoram. One tablespoon of mustard. Add parsley. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. This recipe is incomparable, I highly recommend trying it. Place the ground meat on parchment paper. Place another sheet of parchment paper on top. Roll it out with a rolling pin. Give this video a like. It won't make you a chef, but it will definitely make my day. Place the bacon on top. Bacon can provide a good source of protein and essential B vitamins, but it should be eaten in moderation due to its high fat and sodium content. Place small or medium pickles on the bacon. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Eating red onions regularly may help lower blood sugar and improve digestion. Grate 200 grams of cheese, about 7 ounces. Cheese is a good source of calcium and protein, which helps strengthen bones and support muscle health. Spread the cheese on top. Roll it up into a roll. This roll is perfect for any celebration. This roll is easy to make and just as delicious. Your guests will be pleased. Wrap the roll in paper. Wrap it in foil as well. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 70 minutes. Rice. Rice source of energy, easy to digest, rich in B vitamins and minerals, supports healthy digestion. Add salt and cook until done. One carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and support eye health. Butter and vegetable oil and olive oil. Sauté the carrots. 1 onion. Rich in antioxidants, especially quercetin, onions help fight inflammation and support heart health. They also have natural antibacterial properties and can boost your immune system. If this recipe made you hungry, don't worry, hitting like burns 0 calories. Add the onion to the carrots. Bell pepper. Bell pepper packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, boost metabolism and support immune function. Bell peppers also contain vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which support eye health and reduce inflammation. Add the pepper to the onion and carrots. Stewed vegetables are nutritious because they retain vitamins, provide fiber, and are easy for the body to digest. Add salt and black pepper. Add the cooked rice. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Chop up some fresh dill and add it to the rice. Dill improves digestion and has a mild sedative effect. Add a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of mustard to the olive oil. Add a teaspoon of balsamic sauce. Mix everything well. Spread the sauce over the roll. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. It looks absolutely stunning. It already looks so delicious, I love it. Let me know in the comments if you liked the recipe. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.